Hi guys, it's Diane with Web Concierge Services. I just wanted to shoot this quick video. I know sometimes when we're starting out in WordPress, we're a little confused by what everything means. It's almost like option overload. So today I just really wanted to run through a quick little video tutorial on two specific formats in your blog posts. Okay, and they are the standard horizontal image and the vertical image. And we take a look at video, quote, and link posts in separate videos, but this is really simple and straightforward, so I just wanted to take a minute and run through it. I think you'll totally get it. Thanks. Okay guys, this is how something would look as far as a header image or featured image if the picture or the image that we're using in the header is too small. This is actually a picture of me, obviously, but it's only 300 by 300. So you see that it's actually kind of blown it up, but it's still square and it's right in the middle. Okay guys, so now I went back and I simply changed the type of post from standard horizontal to vertical. And you see in this case, when the featured image is too small, there really is no meaningful difference. It looks exactly the same. Okay, and now this is back to the horizontal image post format, but this time with an appropriately sized featured image, which is actually that's 1200 by 800, just in case you weren't aware of that. Okay, so far not stunningly different between the two. Let's see if we can make a little discernment here. Okay, so this is interesting. Now I have the appropriate size image, but I have it designated as a vertical image post, and you can see that the image is actually quite large. It is probably 1200 by 800. Okay guys, so now this image is long and narrow, and in the horizontal we can see that it's still being justified in the center, but the image is getting cut off. So one more time with feeling here. Okay guys, now here it's actually starting to show up a difference. Now look at this. This is all header. This is the actual size of this image that I picked here from Dreamgrow. And let's just look at how long the header is. That is all header, people. That is the original image size. Wow. That's ugly. That's horrible. Okay, guys, this is an example of a horizontal image, featured image, that is way too wide for the to be used. If you were to look at the original picture, there's all sorts of greenery around. The system sort of cropped it so these guys look like they're in the middle, but they're not actually that way in their real life picture. So that is, you can kind of start to see that there are some differences now between those formats. If you really want to display the entire depth of a photo, then you want to make sure you're in vertical mode. If you want to display the entire width, you want to be in horizontal mode. But if your image is taller than the 800, that's going to get cropped off like this picture did. So you have to kind of really be aware. The best choice is to try your hardest to actually get to a 1200 by 800 featured image as they recommend. Okay, guys, and so here we have, we're just going to quickly review. Again, this is a properly sized header, and these are the images that I used in this little demonstration. Here I am. Here is that super long vertical post. Then we have the super wide. You can see, remember, if you play it back, I mean, there was none of this grass. I mean, it was just, it was cropped for better or for worse. Okay. So anyway, that's just, I hope you understand the distinction now. It's not really big, but in terms of your featured images, it can make a definite difference. So just good to know. Thanks.